In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Jira story. Now, if you're new to Jira or simply trying to clean up your project space by removing tasks or stories that are no longer needed, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward but requires a keen eye to avoid any accidental deletions, especially in a collaborative environment like Jira. So let's jump right in and walk through the steps together, ensuring you understand not just the how but also the why behind each step. First, start by navigating to your Jira dashboard. You can get there by visiting the Jira homepage, or if you're already logged in, selecting your work on the Jira interface. This area is essentially your hub. It displays all the tasks, projects, and assignments you are currently working on. If you're unsure of your way around, don't worry. The interface is user-friendly, and once you're familiar with it, you'll find navigating through Jira fairly intuitive. Once you are in your work, the next step is to select the project in which the story resides. Projects are essentially placeholders for all related tasks and documents that tie into specific initiatives or workflows. If you're managing multiple projects, take your time to choose the right one. Incorrectly choosing a project could lead to issues or stories being deleted from places you didn't intend. Selecting the project will bring up a more focused view of all the stories and tasks it contains. Now turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar and locate the backlog option. This is where all uncompleted and pending tasks are stored. Selecting backlog will display a list of stories yet to be worked on or completed. It's essentially a queue of tasks waiting for their turn to be tackled. Here you'll see everything from epics to minor tasks, which makes it a great place to start cleaning up. Once you're in the backlog, scroll through and find the story you wish to delete. Be careful here as there might be several stories with similar titles or descriptions. Make sure you double check and select the one you are absolutely sure you want to remove from the project. Confirming your choice by hovering over the story will prompt a menu with additional options. Now look for the three dots, usually aligned vertically. This icon is a universal symbol in many software applications, indicating more options or settings. Clicking on these dots will reveal a drop-down menu with more actions you can perform on that specific story. It's designed to keep the interface clean by not overwhelming you with too many choices at once, but it will provide what you need when you ask for it. In the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find the option to delete. Click on it to remove the story from your backlog. However, a word of caution here, Jira will typically ask you for confirmation before permanently deleting the item. This is a safety feature designed to prevent accidental deletions, which can be costly and time-consuming to reverse. Take advantage of this moment to double-check and ensure that your selection is indeed the story you intend to remove. Once you're confident, confirm the deletion, and there you have it, the story has been successfully deleted from your backlog. Remember, this process cannot be undone, so it's crucial to proceed with caution. Deleting a story in Jira helps maintain an organized and clutter-free project environment. It also ensures that your team is focused only on tasks that matter, thereby improving efficiency and productivity. To recap, the process involves navigating to the Your Work section, selecting the relevant project, moving into the backlog, carefully choosing the story you want to delete, and then using the three dots to bring up the option to delete. Each step is integral to maintaining the structure and clarity within your Jira projects, ensuring that everyone on your team is on the same page. Thanks for joining me in this walkthrough. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Feel free to watch this video again if you need a refresher, or to share with your colleagues who might also find themselves needing to clean up their Jira projects. If you have any questions or require further assistance, please reach out in the comments and we'll be happy to help. Until next time, happy project managing and keep those backlogs tidy.